I made it to the final rounds at Eventbrite, Spotify, and multiple AI companies this year. I didn't get a single offer, so I'm doing something about it. I'm a music producer, faith leader, and aspiring data engineer. That last title has been in progress for way too long. 2025 taught me something painful. Passion doesn't pass technical interviews. My database and coding skills are not where they need to be. The technical rounds exposed me. But here's what I also learned this year. I could do hard things. I married my dream girl despite impossible odds. I ran Berkeley College of Music's production for their Waveform series. I taught algebra to inner city high school kids. I ran a prayer call ministry daily for 8 years. I know how to show up. I just haven't shown up for this until now. Starting December, I'm going 100 days. Daily coding, daily database work, daily posts sharing exactly what I'm learning, where I'm struggling, and what's clicking. Can a coding novice become someone companies actually want to hire? Let's find out together.
Keep your eyes on the prize.